guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, hello, my name is Lisa. I am going to do a what's in my bag today, my gym bag, because, well, I'm getting ready to go to the gym. And I gotta let my phone charge up, so I thought, let's just film this. First thing in my bag, pre-workout, in a nice blender bottle that I got at, I don't know, probably DJ Maxx or something. That is C4 pre-workout, just a scoop and a half mixed with water. Next, we have United Airlines snack mix. I like to throw a couple of these in my bag because I always get hungry. Always get hungry at the gym. I got my wallet because I get pulled over. Knock on wood. I got my lifting shoes. These are the Nike Metcons. They're like super like flat on the bottom, but they have like all this arch support inside, and I can't like squat or do walking lunges or anything unless I'm wearing these, because right now I got my cardio shoes on. Cardio shoes. I've got an extra pair of compression shorts because I'm paranoid that my pants are gonna split and I'm not gonna have anything to wear at the gym. So I have these in my bag. I have protein. I just go ahead and put a scoop of protein in a Ziploc bag. That way I can just like pour it easily into my blender bottle when I am done lifting weights. And then I have this, I don't even know what's in this bag. I haven't opened this in a while. This is like my emergency bag. Emergency deodorant. This is man's deodorant because we all know it works better. I got a hairbrush. I got extra hair ties and hand lotion in case I'm like ashy. Chapstick in case my lips get chapped. I have American themed chocolate candy. I don't know. Oh, and I have my lock because I don't trust nobody at the gym. Thieves! Alright, thank you for watching What's in My Bag, Gym Edition. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos every Wednesday. And that's it. That's all I can do. I don't have enough time. Alright, bye!